7 Proven Ways to Make Money as a Student. Build your wealth while studying. So you want to become a millionaire, but you're stuck trying to find the right balance between studying and making money. Chances are you're on a tight budget, cramming for exams, living off cup noodles, and questioning whether college or university was the right decision in the first place. Here's the hard truth. You might not be entirely wrong to wonder. A recent study shows that 23% of bachelor's degrees have a negative return on investment. Even more surprising is that 41% of graduates end up working in jobs that don't require a degree. So what's the solution? Here's the good news. Most millionaires have multiple streams of income. In fact, 65% have at least 3 streams, 45% have 4, and 29% have more than 5. The challenge for students, however, is that many popular income streams aren't realistic to start from a dorm room. That's why I've put together 7 practical ideas you can actually begin today, all packed into this guide. Let's dive into it. Income stream number 1, TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is exploding in popularity, making it a prime opportunity for students to earn extra cash without upfront costs or expensive equipment. All you need is your phone and maybe an affordable ring light to get started. Think of TikTok Shop as the modern-day version of TV shopping, just faster and more interactive. The potential here is massive. Last year alone, TikTok Shop generated $11.9 billion in gross merchandise volume. By the end of this year, it's projected to hit $17.5 billion in sales. How much can you make? The amount you earn depends on the products you choose to sell. High-performing categories like beauty products, personal care, women's wear, and underwear drive the most impulse buys. Target these and you could make anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000s a month, or even more if you hit on a viral trend. How much time does it take? If you're aiming to make significant money, spending about 3 hours a night on your TikTok Shop is a solid goal. However, if you're just looking for an extra $100 a month, dedicating an hour a day can suffice. How to start? Download the TikTok Seller Center app, upload product images, descriptions, and prices, and submit them for review. Approval usually takes a few days. To scale your store, you can leverage TikTok's affiliate program and collaborate with micro-influencers to promote your products. Income stream number 2, join paid focus groups. Believe it or not, companies are willing to pay for your opinions. Participating in focus groups helps businesses improve their products, and they're happy to reward you for your insights. How much can you make? You can earn up to $250 for a 1-hour session, although payouts vary based on how niche your feedback is. If you fit into a rare demographic, you'll likely earn more. For example, a study involving tall individuals, over 6'4", will pay more than one about chicken wing enthusiasts because the former is harder to find. How much time does it take? Focus groups are generally short, lasting anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours. How to start? Stick to reputable websites like Respondent, User Interviews, and focusgroup.com. Be cautious of scams. Legitimate companies will never ask for upfront payments or sensitive information like your bank login details. Income stream number 3, modernizing boring businesses. Boring businesses like laundromats, self-storage facilities, and vending machines may not seem glamorous, but they're highly profitable. Most of these businesses are run by older owners and operate with outdated systems, which means they're ripe for modern upgrades. How much can you make? For example, a laundromat can generate around $300,000 in annual revenue, with profit margins between 20% and 30%. By automating processes or implementing online booking systems, you can boost profits significantly. If you negotiate a 20% cut of an extra $50,000 in annual profits, that's $10,000 in your pocket. How much time does it take? Setting up software solutions for these businesses might take a few hours to a couple of days. Once completed, your involvement can be as minimal as 1 to 2 hours per week. How to start? Look for outdated businesses in your area. Use tools like Odoo to streamline their operations, such as automating billing or implementing online booking. Offer to work on a profit-sharing model to ensure you're rewarded for the results you deliver. Income stream number 4, get a part-time job. While part-time jobs may not seem exciting, they're a reliable way to earn money and gain valuable life skills. Working at places like McDonald's, cafes, or retail stores builds resilience, responsibility, and a strong work ethic. How much can you make? Traditional part-time jobs pay around $12 to $15 per hour. Specialized part-time roles like tutoring can pay significantly more depending on the subject and level of expertise. Freelance jobs in fields like video editing or coding can also yield higher rates depending on your skill set. How to start: update your CV and hand it out to local businesses. If you're looking for freelance gigs, consider platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to connect with clients. Income stream number 5, selling unused items. Take a look around your room. You probably have things lying around that you don't need anymore. Selling these items is a quick and easy way to make extra cash. How much can you make? Items like textbooks, electronics, and branded clothes often sell for 50% or more of their original value. Just be mindful of shipping costs to ensure you're not losing money on sales. How much time does it take? Listing items on platforms like eBay or Vinted takes only a few minutes. Dropping items off for shipping may take some additional time, but it's minimal. How to start? Choose a platform, create an account, and start uploading clear photos of your items. Write honest descriptions and price your items competitively. Once you run out of your own items to sell, offer to sell unwanted items from friends for a commission. Income stream number 6, dropshipping. Dropshipping is perfect for students who want to run an online store without holding inventory or handling shipping. You simply market products from suppliers, and they ship directly to your customers. How much can you make? Profit margins typically range from 20 to 30%. For high-ticket items like furniture or electronics, margins can be even higher. Selling 100 units of a $50 product with a 25% margin could earn you $1,250 in monthly profit. How much time does it take? Setting up your store is quick if you use tools like Build Your Store AI, which can create a Shopify store in minutes. Most of your time will be spent marketing your products. How to start? Choose a niche, find suppliers, and set up your online store. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo make it easy to start and manage a dropshipping business. Focus on creating compelling ads to drive traffic to your store. Income stream number 7, language dubbing. Language dubbing involves translating and recording content into different languages, which is in high demand for businesses and creators looking to expand their audiences. How much can you make? As a voice actor, you can earn an average of $48 per hour. If you're managing dubbing projects, you can charge clients a flat fee or take a percentage of the budget. How much time does it take? The time commitment depends on whether you're recording or managing projects. Either way, this is a flexible option that you can fit around your studies. How to start? Reach out to creators or businesses offering your dubbing services. Platforms like Voices.com and Bunny Studio are great places to find voiceover opportunities. Conclusion: being a student doesn't mean you have to struggle financially. Whether it's TikTok Shop, focus groups, modernizing businesses, or dropshipping, there are plenty of practical ways to start building your wealth today. Pick one or more of these income streams, put in the effort, and watch your financial independence grow. With dedication and the right strategies, you're well on your way to achieving your millionaire dreams.